Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your part for the recent Facebook settlement. So first you have to visit this website, Facebook user privacysettlement.com, and if you visit that website you will get this submit a claim form. So if you click here, you will need to share some basic information. Your phone number and your details. So you are only eligible if you were in US during that period, which starts from May 24, 2007, and you have to be in US from May 24, 2007 to December 22, 2022. So you have to be in US to claim that uh, part of your uh, settlement. And here you can ignore this section if you haven't deleted your account, and you have to share your username. So here abc at .abc, something like that. You can get it from your website or Facebook profile. Your phone number, and after that you have to share your Venmo account or Zelle account or direct deposit account or PayPal account, and you have to just electronically type your signature, and you can submit, and within few seconds you will receive an email, and then you are good to go, and you can wait for the confirmation, and you will get a check from Facebook. Thank you so much.